Okay, question number 10, section B. Maximum marked 17 points. The function of f is defined as fx equal 4 to the x power, where x is real number. Find f inverse of 8. Express your answer in the form of p over q, where pq is an integer. So for this question, we can just define f inverse of k. Let's say f inverse of 8 is just key value, and then we take put f of x on both sides, and then that will give us 8 equals f of k, and f of k means 4 to the k, right? So here we can say 4 to the k power equals 8. We take ln log 2 on both sides. So becomes left hand side becomes k goes in front, log base 2 of 4 equals log base 2 of 8. And this is 2k equals 3. So which means that k equal 3 over 2. The answer for the 8. Okay, function g is defined as g of x is like this, where x is a positive real number. Find the expression of g inverse of x. Okay, g inverse of x. G inverse of x, this expression switched the expression by y equal x, so we can express this one as x equal 1 plus log base 2 of y. And then this one becomes, okay, log base 2 of y equal x minus 1. So take this case, we put the 2 on the bottom like this. So left hand side becomes y equals right hand side becomes 2 to the x minus 1 power. So the answer, g inverse of x, right? So g inverse of x is expressed as 2 to the x minus 1 power. Describe sequence of transformation that transforms y to the g inverse of x to y graph x. So this function transformed to f of x, which is f of x equals 4 to the x power. This is 2 to the 2 squared of x. 4 is 2 squared to the x power equals 2 to the 2x power. So we can describe it. It goes from here to there. Describe transformation. So you have to describe the transformation from 2 to the x minus 1 power transformed to 2 to the 2x power. So what you can do is you put instead of x, you put 2 to the, instead of x, you put x plus 1 minus 1. And then, yeah, how can I explain this? We have to first get rid of this negative 1, which means that you put x plus 1 instead of x. This means horizontal translation. So this means x plus 1 instead of x means lateral translation by factor of negative 1 on the left side. And then after that, it becomes 2 over x, and then goes that means that's the horizontal stretch by factor of 1 over 2. So the answer should be number 1, lateral translation by negative 1, and then horizontal stretch by factor of, instead of x, put 2x, that means factor of 1 over 2. So this is the answer. Okay. Number C, show that f of g of x is 4 times x squared. So f of g of x, say f of g of x equal f of g of x is what? G of x is 1 plus log base 2 of x equal f of x is 4 to the x power. So that means 4 to the 1 plus log base 2 of x equal 4 to the first power times 4 to the log base of 2 of x power equals 4 times 4 can be written as 2 squared log base 2 of x power. This 2 goes to the up there, right? This 2 can go up there, so we can express this one as log base 2 of x squared, and this 2, and then this 2 cancels out, and then it becomes 4 times x squared. Yeah. The function h is defined, h of x is like this kind of rational function. The following diagram shows the part of h of x. Let R be the region enclosed by the graph of h and x-axis and between line x equal 1, this is x equal 1 and x equal 3, and this region is R. Show that this makes sense. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. So left hand side, you make bottom the same, so it's going to be 2x plus 1 over 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1 plus 1. So it goes 4x squared minus 1 plus 1 over 2x plus 1 equal 4x squared over 2x plus 1 equal right hand side. So this is true. Okay, hence otherwise find the area of R, giving your answer in this format when PQR is a positive rational number, and find these areas, right? So the area over here can be, the area region R can be calculated by integration from x is from 1 to 3, and this function 4x cubed, 4x squared over 2x plus 1 over dx. Because this function in the question we already made same that this expression is exactly same as this expression. So this can be written as integral from 1 to 3 2x minus 1 plus 1 over 2x plus 1 over dx. Okay, this part is easy to integrate, and this part, and then if you differentiate the denominator, there's 2 there, so you can simply put 2 over here and negative 1 over 2 in down there, and then you just integrate equal, okay, blue color, equal becomes x squared minus x minus 1 over 2 ln absolute value of 2x plus 1, and then range from 1 to 3. So starting from the start, 3 squared is 9, minus 1 squared is 1, minus 3 minus 1, plus minus 1 over 2. First part, ln 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, ln 7. ln 7 minus ln 3. And this one becomes 8 minus 2 minus Yeah, this I made a mistake. This is not minus. This is plus, right? You put 2 here, just 1/2 down there. So this is not minus. This is plus, plus, plus. Okay, so 1/2. This is ln 7/3 equals final answer should be 6 plus 1/2 ln 7/3. This is the final answer. So P is 6, Q is 1/2, R is 3/7, 7/3.